What up, what up? Morning. It's gonna be one weird slow day. What's up? This is such a weird range today. You guys hear me? Is my audio clear?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. We have Euro news today. Oh shit, we do have Euro news today. Euro news today at 7:45. Damn. Core retail sales at 8:30. Oof. Okay. Okay, some volume gonna kick in probably then. Not bad. Yeah, I don't know. It's like we're ranging for a little bit here. I think I'm gonna look for buys if that 1 hour closes bullish. It's gonna look kind of rough though.
Yeah, I was waiting for that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice traffic candle up. Get a good entry.
Yeah, like GJ might be just probably like sells below these levels and buys above these levels. I mean above these levels here. So maybe like these targets here for GJ should be pretty good. This is the next resistance we have. So all we need to do is get a breakout of this range here. Go up bullish. Breakout of this range would be very lovely. This is like a nice 24, 25 pip move. Very clean potential. Let's see. Just might be. There might not be the best volume today, guys. Be careful. Yeah, I'm saying this from experience. Off days like the way the day time frame looks. I mean the higher time frame looks. I'm just saying from experience. It might not be the most volatile day today. But let's see. You might get a push. Who knows? You might get some volatile push. But based on experience in the past, days like these don't have much volume. Gold fake out. Gold. Let's see. Mm, I don't know. I really don't see I don't see much here.
It's real choppy.
Yeah, this is just real choppy. This is
It's
just
real
like
choppy.
not even like
I
market
was just looking at it. Yeah, I
marketable.
was.
You can't
Yeah,
even mark this up.
maybe when maybe closer to news, maybe.
Like,
Well,
this is choppy. Yeah, this is very choppy.
yeah. Like sometimes, like go look cleaner on higher time frames, but it just takes
Yeah,
longer.
this is just. I'm not gonna mark this up. This is just
Yeah, yeah, it's still choppy.
very choppy. If the hourly count includes bullet share, I think I'm gonna look for buys for GJ. Something like this probably. Can probably pop up like this. Have that target. If not one candle, maybe two candles. Who knows? But we're gonna look for buys. We're gonna have another range. Yeah, a bit rangy today. Let's see. See what we get after. Mm.
It's my bad.
Are you good?
Maybe 80 pip yesterday on stream. Go.
Yeah, so US30 has to bring a couple more sales on US30.
Yes, I saw. I didn't get to take it, but I saw. Nice, nice.
Bullish. US30 is pretty bullish. Right now might not be. Actually, yeah. Here could be the news. Obviously, you have news that's gonna push it 8:30.
Mm-hmm.
We have retail sales that's gonna really push it. We have the markets open at 9 for US30. Uh, this is pre-New York right now. New York hasn't even opened yet, so let's see. Thing is, like US30 may not move until like later, like 8:30, 9 when New York actually opens, right? Because the reason why GJ moves early is because GJ has London. That's what moves it. The London,
London was real rangy.
yeah, pounds in London, right? So
Only one
yeah,
trade.
that's a Ranger, yeah. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
that analysis I sent yesterday did play out. What did I say?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
What's the target? It was I was going, guys. Welcome to another eating session. Ranger, you might get a little move here in GJ coming down to this support. Maybe that's like what 4 pips, but like I don't know. Support, like I think next targets for GJ could be maybe like these levels here. That level, and then eventually get these levels. But so I was kind of like bearish, kind of like if it does break these lows. But today's might be a bit. 134,
If
338, I
it
think.
breaks like, yeah, 'cause that's the daily low.
Yeah, 134, 338. So that's
Like, yeah,
134.
134.
Yeah, we came
Yeah.
all the way down there. Yeah, we came all the way down. 38. Yeah, we came all the way down there. Like I wasn't even looking at charts yesterday because like I don't know, these moves weren't. It just wasn't. There wasn't no volume. I was like no volume here. Just very choppy. Yeah, 1 hour's gonna close a minute here. I'm gonna wait for a breakout of range here.
Mm-hmm.
These, like I don't know if I
Yeah.
can really
Yeah, it's
anticipate
closing back
moves.
in the range.
Usually when there's a lot of volume, guys, you guys can anticipate moves. Wait, like you get to enter when it's in the range, and you can anticipate break out of range either way, based off the higher time frames or based off of like just however it closes. But days like this today, you can't really do that. It's just gonna be yes, you need to wait for a breakout.
Mm-hmm.
Daily is bearish though. You can see that, like,
It's at a nice resistance though.
yeah,
Oh,
nice support.
support.
Like, we haven't broken the weekly low yet, but like, guys, if you do break this week, if you break the weekly low, I repeat it, if you break 133, 958, break 133, 958, we're most likely gonna come down to the next support. You guys know where that is?
For the rest of the week, that's like
It's like
131,
132,
132.
260. It's pretty. It's a lot of pips, man. So let's see.
Probably for like the rest of this weekend, next week, probably like 2 candles, like this week and next week.
Yeah. If GG breaks below this level, I'm probably look for sells. 134, 148, 145. I'm looking for sells down to like maybe potentially very choppy.
Very
Not
choppy.
a lot of traffic.
Like,
Where are these levels here? How many pips is this?
it's definitely clean after 133.8 too.
It's like 30 pips, so it's not bad. It's not bad. If you do break below, we could get a potential big move here. Some type of big move. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. Should be clean. I don't know where else we're gonna go. One thirty four, 152. Is that right? What did I say? Yeah, it is right. So guys, this is a target if GJ breaks this low here. Out of this range and get a nice potential 30 pips here. On these sells. Let's see. If this count pushes up here, I don't know. There's just the day count technically did close bearish, guys, and we broke the lows. So
Mm-hmm.
we have a way higher chance of coming down to than going up, right? So I think sells would be much more preferred than taking buys. Say. If you're taking buys, say, um, be very careful.
Water.
Looking at US 30 though, let's say this is a fake out though on US 30. Fake out down to go up back in the range here. This is very very choppy right now. I think you can trade USD based off the 4 hour today. If US 30 does come back in the range here, it's most likely gonna fill the range and then eventually break this high to go further up. It's just this is very looks very choppy. Might be the cleanest setup, but just the range after yesterday's buys, kind of nasty ranger. We put any entry orders before news. Let's see. Let's see how everything looks. Let's see how everything cause that Euro news may push a pound as well, some type of direction. It might put volume to the markets, so we could get a potential move there on GJ as well. Um, it doesn't impact the pound directly, but it'll put some volume into the markets. Same like there. Remember the NFP guys? We had biases for GJ, and NFP had nothing to do with the pound, but we just volume just kicked in, and that's when we had to move. Kind of like that. But let's see. I'm not gonna be trading Euro pairs today though. I don't trade Euro pairs, so there's no reason for me to trade just for today because we have news here. You know what I mean? I rather prefer just to stick to GJ. Range or no range, guys. I'm trading GJ every day, no matter what. I'm not gonna move to. I'm not gonna move to a different pair today, guys, just because GJ is ranging.
Thanks.
I'm still gonna watch GJ. What's gonna look for? Oh yeah. Here's what I think could happen today. If you do get a breakout in GJ, I'll take sells. Two scenarios there. If you get a breakout here, like this, and then all of a sudden you get
You go.
a fake out coming back in the range.
You
Or
can anticipate it back down to the
yeah, it needs to be clean sells. If you do get a breakout like this, say you get a breakout like this, guys, and all of a sudden now you come back in the range like this, and then from here, you can take nice sells, stop loss. Your stop loss will have to be up here, and next candle's probably gonna come down like this.
you doing the 3 candle prediction again.
Robin?
I think you're doing the 3 candle prediction again. Predicting the next 3 candles.
Let's see. I'm just putting ideas out here. We haven't actually formed this, guys. But if you do form this, this is where I'll take sells at. Sells will be at this kind of opening. All that's up there. Target all the way down here. Partials over here. That'll be an initial trade. Or if another scenario could be just sells below here, below this range here. Go down. Yeah, this could be some volume today because this range is not even bad. This range is like what? A 20 pip range? It's not even bad.
Trade this week, yeah.
Could get a breakout later. More fam, another morning, another range. Yes, sir, another range today, guys. It's okay though. Have a decent week so far. I think like this week we took like what? This week alone we just took Monday stream took 1 loss. Wednesday or no, this is Monday. What day is it today? Thursday? I think Monday and Wednesday. Yesterday, no, we didn't take a loss yesterday. Yesterday we took 230 pips. I think it's just 1 loss this week. Right? Am I wrong? How did Tuesday go? Tuesday went.
I think it was only one loss.
1 loss, right?
Hmm.
How was Tuesday looking? Tuesday was
Thursday, yeah.
14th. So 14th. We did Asian session. 14th. Yeah. Yeah, I took 1 loss this week. It was just Monday for New York sessions. It was just Monday. 7 pip loss. The only loss we had for the whole week was 700. Oh, 900 subs almost? Yeah, 840. Damn. We're pushing here. Pushing here, guys. GP news coming out soon. GP news. GP news, really? There's no GP news. Am I missing something here? Is there news there? I'm not missing anything, right?
I mean, it's almost 6:45. It's not low impact. It's low impact.
That's past, I think. Oh,
Yeah,
past already.
never mind. I keep forgetting the head. I'm trying to call this. 614 where I'm at.
Did I miss something, guys? Is there news? Let me check. Let me check a different website. Yeah. Oh, it's a speech. Okay, let's see. Shouldn't be. Um, I don't think that's today, bro. I'm checking on all the websites I can possibly find her. I don't see any. That thing ended already. That was 11:15. Oh, that's right now. That's like right now, actually. Yeah, just right now as we speak, 7:15. Yeah, it's probably speaking right now. Let's see what happens there. Let's see. I don't know why it's not here though. They're talking about. Like I said, guys, I'll be more comfortable taking bias than taking stealth than bias. I'll be more comfortable. Um, oh, I have to re-break out here, or if you come back in the range here. So let's see. I'm hoping we come out. I'm hoping like it does come back in the range. And we do a fake out,
It'd
because
be
then we'll have a bigger range,
perfect.
about
Yeah.
4-bit range. That'd be an ideal move today. Yeah, it's right now. The speech is right now. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, speeches, guys, they don't really like off the rip. They show up late. They usually talk for a bit
How Trump used to be.
about other things. It started. Then eventually gonna kick in, like maybe like around like probably 8 or something like that. Usually they talk about the good things first, and they talk about the bad things later. Kind of like. So let's see what the pound does today. Man, I need some coffee, man. You guys had coffee this morning? Or
I don't
not?
drink coffee.
Yeah. I'm about to boil some water. Give me like one
Actually,
second.
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah, I need some coffee. Hold on, give me like one second. I'm gonna boil water. I'm back. Back. I'm back, guys. Where the hell was Jimmy and Sam and all these other guys, though? Uh, what bias are you? Yeah, like I just mentioned it. I clearly just broke you down. I rather
Bearish.
prefer, I prefer taking sells than looking for buys. I mentioned two scenarios already. I mentioned if we do break out the ranger, we could get the scenario where we pop out the range, and then eventually we can pop back inside the range. So like this. If this count comes back in the range, it's being called a fake out because it's now coming back into the range. It's breaking this resistance because now this is support form. It's breaking that support, coming back in the range, and then you can take a sell coming down to the support, and then eventually, every time a fake out occurs, probably I mention this all the time, but 85% chance of filling it, and then 75% chance of continuing down further. This could be one. This could be something that you can do. Um, that or if you want to just wait for breakout of this ranger. I prefer taking stealth than buys. But if you do break out, maybe could have probably tapped these levels here. This could be a very logical level. Um, yeah, sells below here or sells if you come back in the range. If you break this and come back in the range. Preferably, I want it to be a fake out to come back in the range because then we'll have a bigger range to go down. More pips, 20, 20, 40 pips. But yeah, pretty bearish today. But as this, so like today was like bullish. This would be a very nice trade though. Very good anticipation. Entry would have been right here. Stop loss below there. Been pretty clean. 4 hour close doji, you think it'll go up then? It did close bullish, yeah, it does make sense to go up. Let's see what happens here. This I was looking at earlier. The 4 hour does make sense to go up. We did close bullish, meaning that it could be the support of the range. So like here, so this candle right here closed bullish, right? So we can technically say that if there's support formed there, this could be the low of support for price to maybe push up to these levels, right? So this could be an ideal target for you for GJ 4 hour time frame, and entries could have been, like I said, if the deal was kind of bullish, I would have looked for buys probably right here. I'd be comfortable taking buys here. I was looking at this earlier. This would be a trade I'll take all the time. Yes, pricey on stream though, but we're in a range here. But it just makes much more sense because if this is a low of the range, price shouldn't break that low if it wants to go up. Same as the 4 hour closing bullish, right? That was a low. Price shouldn't break this low if price wants to go up. Would have been a nice wick fill here and then eventually pop up to these levels. But let's see what happens here.
Makes sense. Makes sense.
Yeah, I much prefer to take sells though. But we did come down to the day target already on GJ. So let's see what the next target is. I sent that little analysis yesterday for today's session. These are nice buys though. This is a trade I'll take. Yeah, it's probably see a lot often. This is because this we have a nice wick fill here. You know, we made a range, made a support. If this is the support to go up, then we shouldn't break that low. Loss below there. You know, TP around these levels. Partial TPs around these levels here. So looking good. Targets for bullish is probably these levels here. 134, 569. Man, yo, Robert, if this comes back in the range, man.
It's gonna be a perfect setup.
Yeah.
That's like 40-15, like 45-15.
Yeah.
Real nice. And then if it keeps going down and breaks the data low.
Alright, give me like 2 minutes. Be back.
Minute candle about to close. Could be potential buys. Looking at the 30-minute chart, actually. 14 pips, stop loss, 15 pips. So like, go like 1-1. About to break the highs. New York is about to open in the next half hour.
Alright guys, I am back. What's up?
Down's back.
What happened when I was gone? Nothing happened? Nothing happened here?
Nothing at all.
Alright. If this 15-minute candle here comes back in the range, guys, I'm gonna look for sells.
On the hour or the 30?
15.
Or like, or just in general?
15, 15. 15:30, whatever it is. Actually, only the 15 can come back in the range here. Or if it breaks these lows, I'm gonna take for sells, guys.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Guys, if this move plays out, guys, this should be, cause like I drew these candles out. I mentioned two players, right? Breakout play to go up, to go down, and then just a break below the range. So this fakeout play, it'll be literally the exact thing I drew out. Literally, what I drew out was this. You know, where is it? I draw a lot of arrows, man. By the time I go back to replay these things, I draw a lot of arrows. Let's see, where is it? Where is it? Oh, right here. If this was the case, right, this is what I drew out.
Let's see. About to break the lows. Close.
Ooh. Could be coming down here. Yeah, if this is the play, guys, then could be a very see? So I said this is what I said. If this 15-minute candle, 30-minute candle comes back in the range like this, we're probably gonna break down, coming down to fill the range and then continue further. Yeah, right here, just like this. Perfect. So this could happen here. If the 15 breaks the lows, I'm gonna get in sells there.
You gonna do execution, market execute?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Let's see. Probably I want 30-minute close back in the range.
Extra confirmation.
Oh man, this would be a lovely fake out if this just comes back bearish like this. This is gonna be the most beautiful sell if price does close back in a range like this. News in 10 minutes. Yeah, we got news in 10 minutes here. We have EU news there. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
potentially.
Mm-hmm.
Give me 1 second, bro.
Okay, 15's looking nice. Gotta tell you. Past 15 minutes. All right. I'm closing in. New York opening in 20.
Alright, guys, I'm back with my coffee. Finally made it. Okay, cool. Evening Star Foreman. Yeah, man, I don't know. We got news here, guys, in 5 minutes here. Got your news here. Pretty much rate cuts. Expecting the same rate, so like, let's see. Damn. Catchy part yesterday went all the way up. This is a fake out here, guys. Come back in the range here.
What was that?
It went
Yesterday,
all,
yesterday
yeah,
during London.
yeah. Into New York session, it went all the way up.
Nice.
Yeah.
I was just thinking like was another
But it was
like safe
news
pair
because
to trade.
yesterday they kept the same rates, right? And I did say it was gonna go up. I think it go up yesterday. Catchy for I think
Hmm.
if news come out, your news comes out, and if they keep the same rates today, we should continue to go up as well. Yeah, not bad. Usually let's make a team up here to next target. See how 30-minute count closes, guys. We have 18 minutes left. Just be patient on GJ. If you're getting buys here, then by all means go ahead. You guys do whatever you guys want. This would be a ideal trade
Be careful.
probably. Break out of range, you know, team up here. Just that wrap. Much for 6 cells coming down here. If it does come back in range, if it does. That's some good coffee, guys.
Black.
You know, coffee usually doesn't work. It never worked for me. I wouldn't get like, you know, I wouldn't be awake after. But now it's like literally after one sip, it's like I'm up, you know.
I might start drinking coffee. I'm tired.
GJ broke the 4 high. Yeah, it's just that GJ, my entry, much be prefer be down here when once this can close bullish here. I wouldn't want to enter here because now you might deal with some fake out opportunities maybe because price can just close bearish back in range and you might be stuck in this trade. But much for me, if I were to take buys here, I would take buys right here. I was gonna take buys earlier, but you know the 4 hour was still bearish, the other was still bearish, the 1 hour was still bearish. So like I didn't really want to take buys to this target. This would have been an initial trade though, up to this target. From that entry. You know, this kind of closes as support, bullish as support. If this is a support, price shouldn't break this lower, price wants to go up. Because if this is the bottom of the range, guys, we're probably gonna go to fill to the top of the range, right? And you have a lot more advantages here. You can move your stops to entry as you tap this resistance here. Close half here at 10 pips, perfect. You know, let the runner go to this target. But if you enter up here, you might have to deal with some. If price does come back in the range here, you're probably gonna be fucked because price could come back in the range if it does come back in the range, or it can just continue up here. Who knows? But
Someone's news.
next
You
target,
never know.
yeah.
Mhm.
This is a
Be
target.
careful. What if? Oh, well, yeah. I have to
Alright.
wait and see.
34, 31. I forgot to type this out earlier. Yeah, I broke it already, but this is the target up here. It's pretty simple, guys. You know, trading is like you have a range, break it up, break it down. That's all that it is. Don't do it. It's addictive. Is it actually addictive? I mean, I know it's addictive, but like, it's. You know what else is gonna wake me up?
My passion wakes me up. Yeah, coffee
I
definitely
mean, I
helps.
wake up like with my passion, but like I'm not awake awake.
Oh yeah, yeah, I know. It's like your body just. Like, my mindset is there. Good coffee.
Wait, so you guys don't hear me drinking, right?
No,
Ah, that's a good mic right there. Only when I
that's
talk,
good.
it
That's
picks
good.
up my voice. Like literally, my mic is my headset, my I guess my toggle for my mic is literally right next to my mouth.
What type of mic you got?
Um, I got this. Show you.
Okay,
My gaming
might,
headset.
might have to invest in one.
It's a very good mic. Very, very good mic. You know, this is the type of move if I'll enter and people will be like, "Well done. Why would you enter a buy here? It's still in the range." You know. Um, this move right here. Let me give you guys examples of when we did enter here. Like I said, guys, I muchly prefer to enter in the range than wait for a breakout. You just have a lot more advantages. But yeah,
Yeah,
it
more
comes with a
stops.
lot more experience though. Like a lot more experience. A lot of anticipation, guys. Like
Patience
this,
too.
for example, right here. Then like a fake out is like, for example, you'll probably fill the range. Oh no, it's a fake out. Like for example here, whenever I give this, people will be like, "Oh, I'll rather answer on B because B actually broke out of the range." This is A is the better entry here. The A is the exact entry here actually. Go up. Yeah, inner ranges is much more much more smooth, man.
Yo,
Yo yo yo.
yo. The bank rates for Euro,
Yeah.
they're good numbers or bad numbers?
Oh,
I
just
can't read it.
it came out. I think they left the same numbers. Hold on, let me see. I was expecting
Yeah.
them to leave the same rates, right? Did they?
Um.
They left.
My Xbox
They
it
left the
says the
same rates. Yeah, they
same.
left the same rates. Yeah, so
So it's good or
yeah,
bad?
it's good for the
I
currency.
can't read it.
That's good.
Bro, I got faked out in London the worst way.
Yeah, that's why you
Yeah, me
woke up.
too.
That's why you woke up late today.
Nah, I was just up all night. I'm like, bro, I'm gonna take one more nap before I hop on. So
You
wait,
got
I got a
top
question.
natural.
So you remember the Brexit situation, right? So since UK is not part of the European Union anymore,
hmm
whatever it's called, does Euro news still affect it or no?
Yeah, the volume still pushes in. That's like saying
Oh,
NFP
okay.
Mm-hmm.
for GJ. That has nothing to do with the GJ pound, the pound pairs, but
Yeah.
the volume still pushes the markets. You know,
Did
like
you in for a buy?
no, I was gonna get in a buy earlier as this one hour kind of closed bullish in a ranger, you know, but um, I would just prefer to take sales today if you do come back down in a ranger. The 1 hour was still bearish at the time, so I didn't really want to take. Or no, something was bearish. I forgot what I said, but it was like right when the stream started. I said something. Let me check. Let me see.
The
Let me
daily was bearish.
Daily was bearish, yeah. Literally the first thing I said today was I was looking for buys here.
I was more likely to take sales. Yeah, better cleaner sales.
Let's see what I say. Not bad. GJ should be pretty good. When this volume 58 port. Very choppy. It's not bad. It's not bad. If you do break below, we could. Wait, better. 134, 15. They're watching a stream within a stream. Oh my god, I'm trying to look for a clip here. Yo, is there a way in YouTube to save clips, like 30-second clips, like create a highlight video or something? Like a save to my desktop? Cause whenever I make those videos on Instagram, I gotta go through like 3 hours of just like, where's the clip? Like, what time did I talk about this at? Like there's a video I still gotta make for yesterday, but yeah, I gotta still figuring out my editing software.
You get it. You get it.
Then taking buys, say. If you're taking buys, say, here, I think, be very careful. So somewhere up there, can't even find a clip, but yeah, guys, this is the next logical target area for buys if we are breaking above here. TRL at F maybe. Isn't TRL plus H? Make a highlight. I'm not sure, guys, but I think this area here, if you guys are in buys, just be very careful at. This is a money resistance. You can probably take some partials off here or something here at these levels, because never reaching some type of resistance here. You're supposed to open soon, so let's see what's popping here. Gold is pushing up. Gold is gonna push up, guys. Looking like we're gonna reach these targets. Oof. It's like what, 13? It's not that much. US 32. Oh man. US 30 is coming back in the range, you guys. So you just have a lot of traffic looking left though, right now. Preferably, I think you could take buys above these levels here. Be the ideal trade for US 30. Buys above these levels, coming up to maybe like these levels. It's just choppy, not as clean. Like this looks kind of messy, right? Yes, it looks messy because you have these kind of wicks here. These have candles that break out the range here, but this is just the average resistance support here. People ask me, well, how do you draw your support and resistance? It's just sometimes, guys, you just gotta do what looks like makes sense. Makes sense to you. For me, this makes sense. Like the way I drew these supports and resistance, it just looks logical. Like this some type of rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. That's where I drew my line at. Support here, rejection, rejection, rejection. That's where I drew my support at. It's like that. For US 30, same type of thing. I see a lot of rejections up here at these levels, resistance, support here, and boom. How I drew my stuff here. Sometimes it may not be clear. Like these type of resistance supports are not as clear. I think support here too. Yo, Uncle Ted be like, nope. I got support there. I don't know, man. I can't. It's sometimes like it depends on you as well, because like some people like big support zones like this. Sometimes they like small ones, like thin ones. Like I like thin ones. Like I like just average. Like I don't like when it looks too thick because I feel like it's just a waste of space.
Wicks are weak anyway, so
yeah.
You don't gotta make them super huge. Whatever you're comfortable with. I like them small too. That way I'm able to get better entry.
Yeah, gold's looking bullish though. Very, very bullish. They might be a bit rangy. Range. What else you got here? Yeah, the news came out. I think right now it should be the guys. So whenever like the rate cuts do come out, when the rates come out, there's usually that's when a lot of like I guess the main move happens. Well, sometimes it goes both ways though. But like when the speech, when you actually talk about it, the speech after, that's like when it pops up even more usually. So let's see. Let's see what they talk about. Like, I don't know. I'm not gonna watch the speech here because I don't really trade the euro. But let's see, there's a speech here, so careful for that. This is just the rate cuts, and now we have should have a speech here. I think this is a speech. Let's see, it's like when Powell speaks, same thing. Just when Powell speaks, if you don't know yet. When the rate cuts do happen for U.S. dollars, the Powell speaks at 2. You know how he usually at 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Eastern. That's when the rate cut comes out. Yeah. So and then. Oof. When I already closed that, close back in the Ranger. If the third minute close like this, great buy for what pair? I mean, if you do it, for GJ, if you do enter a 3 minute buy here, off a 3 minute, I think your stops have to be down here though. That's a negative versus the word. That's not only that's worth it because TP is up here, 12 pips, and or TP would be around like, yeah, 12 pips, and your stops would be like 20 pips, you know. So I don't know if that's a good trade-off. I don't know if that's gonna be a good risk to word there. It's a negative risk to word. I would not enter a negative risk to word. It'll probably play out though. Like it has a high chance of probably tapping this target. It's just your stops are gonna have to be all the way down here. Be safe. By safe I mean like not having like not risking too much and not risking too low. Like safe I mean like if price breaks this low, it's gonna go down. But until it breaks that low, we're gonna go up to this target. That's what I mean, right? Because this is a 1 hour low. So let's see. Lost below 30 minute? That could be ideal too. Yeah, let's see if price comes back in the range. I mean, this is a fake out. Up to go down back in the range, and this can be the play we talked about earlier. Yo, hold on, guys. I'm gonna use a watch for a second. I need this. Give me 1 second. Wait, now, so just remember, New York's about to open in a minute here, so you could get a nice push up here. on GJ. You can tell me what's trend. Hold on, guys. Alright, and we are pushing up. Oof. Just that this guy's careful of this area. This area is very like trafficy. Trafficy meaning that there's a lot of traffic here at these levels, and I think you could wait. I don't think this area would be the greatest idea to enter a buy off of because you got a lot of traffic here, and your stops have to be down here at the 1 hour low. If anything, 30-minute low. If you want to be like super, just 30-minute low might be a bit more aggressive because price can easily break the 30-minute low and just respect the 1 hour low, right? So let's see what happens here. But for me personally, these areas is very, very, very trafficy. So just be careful. These areas, I think buys would be, if you missed buys earlier, I think buys would be good above like, maybe above these levels probably. Above these levels, you can get buys in. That's clean traffic, you know, down up to like these targets up here. Essentially like what? This is like 20 pips here. That'll be great as well for GJ. If you do come back in the range and get nice sells coming down though. Yo, what up, bro?
What's up?
What's the why you guys so late today, bro?
Good morning. What you
No,
doing?
Why y'all so late today?
Cash anything?
Nah. Buys would have been great though. The 1 hour in the Ranger at 7 a.m. Would have been great to catch it with you guys, but you know. Guys, if you guys are watching this live stream right now, you guys should subscribe. Subscribe. Sub. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. We've been doing this for about like what? Let's see. February 14, 2020, 26,000 views. That's not bad. Like that's actually not bad at all. Pretty, like you know, that's a pretty good account growing right there. Account growth. February. That's like what? How many months from now? That's February. Our first stream was what? Let's see. Our first stream on YouTube, guys, was 3 months ago. So 3 months ago was what? March. Oh yeah, March 23rd. That was our first stream. So March, May, June, July. 3 months, guys. Yo, whose mic is that? God damn.
Yo, bro.
Is that JJ? Is that your mic?
My bad, that was my bad.
That's yours? That's not yours.
Yeah, my bad. It was.
Oh. Yeah, guys, you know, March 23rd, and already we have 800 subscribers? That's pretty good. That's like 3 months. 3 months. 3 months of hard work. So 3 months of live streaming every day during the New York session. I got to delete the video by the way, but yeah, pretty good pace here. Pretty good pace, guys. Hasn't even been a year yet. Hasn't even been half a year yet. It's been 3 months literally, and we're getting like 50 average members on the streams every day. You know, like that's not bad. You know, it's just a matter of time. People tune in for these gems. You know the vibes. I think I'm gonna make an intro video for every stream from now on.
Intro video.
Intro.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you an example. If you watch this guy's stream, it's pretty fire.
Like EDM, like intro.
No,
like...
no, 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 no. Not that, man. No, 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 no.
No, this man finna.
Jimmy, where are you at? Are you in a toaster, bro? Where are you? This guy's in a toaster, bro. Oh, Lord. Jimmy, you're lagging. And...
Beat him.
I am.
Earth Jimmy.
How are you still talking if he's muted? What?
Is it not Jimmy?
It is Jimmy. I think it's the delay in the mic. Bro.
Oh my goodness.
Yo.
Holy shit.
Hold on. Is there...
Something's on Quaaludes, bro.
What?
Nah, no.
Yo, hold on.
What?
Oh, yo, I'm gonna remove you, Jimmy, and come back, just come back. Holy shit, bro.
What the hell is that?
Like he was in a cave or something.
This guy was like, this guy was in this game.
Bruh.
Alright, let's see. Still pushing.
I was in those cells last night, but I closed it early.
Oh, you're in London?
No, during Asian.
Oh, Asian. Yeah, it's so nice. Yo, watch the beginning of that, Sam. Like, just go all the way to the beginning. The intro's pretty fire. But like, he's chill with Drake, so he can play Drake music. But like, you know, one day, hopefully.
One day.
Most fire. Just watch the whole. It's actually the most fire intro.
This guy streamed for 9 hours.
Yeah, they've streamed for Bear. Bro, the man gets like, he plays COD, right? The man gets like 100k viewers live. That's a shit ton of viewers live, bro. On Twitch, that's a lot. Is that man's in a toaster? Yeah, that man's in a toaster.
Oh yeah, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, he has trophies too. If he sets like a minute or some shit, his trophies plays is pretty fire.
GG looked kind of brutal during London.
Very rangy. Rangy.
Very rangy.
What the hell?
What happened?
Did you hear that?
Yeah, someone's in a bus. Robert, is there a bus in the background?
Yeah, my bad.
Oh, that's outside? Are you outside?
No, but I'm like close to my window.
Oh, you're fine. Just leave it. The bus passed already.
Yeah.
Wait, where are you from? New Jersey?
Uh,
You're from Jersey, right? Or New
Wisconsin.
York?
Wisconsin.
Where?
Wisconsin.
Is that? Where's that? That's near.
It's like an hour, like 2 hours from Chicago.
Wait. So that New York trip, you flew to New York or what?
I
That
thought
New York
Greyhound.
in-person course?
I was broke back then, so I caught a Greyhound.
Oh shit. Where's the New York course? Did I not post any? Oh wait, we started Instagram later. Guys, we had an in-person course without an Instagram. That's actually pretty good. A sold out course with an Instagram page. An it was like what 30 people, sold out class without one Instagram post. It was all through Telegram. We sold it out, guys. We sold it out.
Facts.
Pretty fire. I'm gonna look for photos, you guys, from the. I'm looking for photos from the thing. Photos from the course for you guys, because I know there's some photos there. Here you guys go. Here's some photos. Yo, we had a giveaway too. We had this giveaway. Look at it. It was pretty cool. This poster was pretty neat. I'm not gonna lie. We saw Zion. Yo, Tegan, we didn't actually see Zion. We were gonna see Zion, and then the man got injured. This is the day he got injured. Literally the day he's like the rank control FX jerseys. But look, literally the day he got injured was the day he was like injured for the whole NBA season. It was this exact day.
That's tough.
Against New York. I'm like, damn, because we thought he faked the injury because they wanted to, like, he didn't want to play against New York because it was against RJ Barrett. It was a preseason game, right? And then yeah, and then he ended up being injured. But I saw fucking Lonzo Ball here, and you know, just the course here. So no, you know the vibes. Where's Robert? Where's Robert? This is Robert. Where is he?
What?
Oh, right here. This is Robert, guys. This is Robert.
Robert in the cut.
Robert, you know, you got Kisan here. You know, you got Jay here. You got Riyadh here. You got Jay in the cut here. You got Jalen here. You know, you got Brian Williams here. He sometimes pops in on the live streams as well. What else you got here? That's still here. Can't remember anything else. I don't know.
You gotta do another one in Toronto.
Yeah, soon. I pray after, not soon actually.
Oh, yeah, I also said like.
If I do have a course, it'll have to be like online Zoom webinar type course, you know. So I can't have a course just yet. But yeah, this is the course, guys. Sold out. Sold out dates. You know the vibes. I joined late. Did you guys enter the trade already? No, we're not in any trades just yet. I'm still waiting here, guys. I haven't entered one trade yet. Patient is gonna pay off today. Trust. Whatever you do today, guys, do not have any FOMO.
Yeah, I don't know. DJ's it's kind of tough to take buys unless we get above this consolidation.
Mm-hmm.
Like the last sell buys could have got in. Like I don't think right now would be a good idea, but like the last buys are like 7 a.m. That 1 hour candle, you see it, that wick fill at the bottom range. That was the last like entry could have had, I think. That night, like last like actual entry without being doomed is what I mean, right? Like stocks were like what 10 pips, and like if you enter now, your stocks gonna have to be like what? If you enter on this kind of opening, yeah, your stocks gonna be like 20 pips. So it's like, and this has a less chance of playing up because you don't have that much advantage left. There's a lot of resistance here to the left. I think down here was the last entry. So if G does come back in the range, I'm looking for sells, guys. see. Jimmy, yo, you can join back in the Zoom call, bro,
Ooh.
if your mic is fixed. DJ, push up.
It's pushing.
Guys, target for DJ has been tapped. There you guys have it. Yes, I can say you buys were called. Did not take any buys though, as I did not get the entries I wanted to. Clean class sorry again. Teacher looks been slow this morning. You know, it's been pretty good. It's not bad. It's not bad. There's some volume coming in today. More volume than I expected today. Not bad though. Like a dead range, like, you know, some volume today. I wasn't expecting volume today at all though. Just based off experience and based off the way day kind of closes. I wasn't expecting much volume, but some volume today actually. Nice, like what, 30 pips there. Damn. Oh, you're not home, Jimmy. That's why. That's why. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So buys for GG right now. If you're looking for buys, it's probably gonna be like, maybe like above here, above these levels here. Nice buys for GG. Just to know. It's almost 9. Damn, quick. Today's stream went by quick, and nothing much happened to him. New York Open, we came up as expected. You know, DJ came up as expected. New York Open just pushed it up further. Guys, here's a little tip. Whenever like for New York, wherever the trend is, usually New York usually pushes that trend further. Because think about it, if just be logical, you know, if a trend is forming and you have New York Open where volume is gonna kick in, where do you think the volume's gonna push it the opposite direction? No, volume's gonna push up to the actual direction that's going. You know, so if let's say before pre-New York, GJ's bullish, what do you think's gonna happen during New York Open? The volume's gonna push that GJ moving further up. Why would it just spike the opposite way? No, unless it's like actual news that's spiking the opposite way. But other than that, it's like New York volume. Because like whenever it moves forward, it's just moving normally. Like it's just chilling, you know, chilling out there. All of a sudden, I guess the word from it's from I guess his head leader, whatever. The New York Open. It's like okay, now you can push out further. I'm opening this door for you. You can break through now. And that's what's happened for GJ. It just broke through as the New York opened up. And so that's what I meant earlier when I said at around 8 a.m. I'm like New York's opening right now, so just be careful that we could get a nice push up here. But yeah, we did tap this target, guys. So if you guys got on buys, congratulations. Yo, Sam, call later. Yo, Huntley. Robert, you got a card, bro?
Yeah, but I'm rusty. I haven't played video games in like forever. Maybe like a week. I'll brush up. Maybe like a week. I'll hop on.
Yo, Sam.
Hop on that board.
Yo, I was just taking a piss.
Oh, you want to play Warzone later?
Yeah, I'm done.
I should what time you sleep last night?
Early actually, like earlier than usual, like 12.
Oh, that's not bad. I slept like yeah around there. Yo, chat. Yo, guys. So, let me know in chat what time you guys sleep at, and when you wake up for the streams. Your time, like your time zone. I wanna see. I wanna see some of you guys, like, cause you know me. I used to sleep for like 3 hours, yo. Like when I started trading, I used to sleep for literally like. Cause here's my old trading style. I wouldn't even wake up for New York. I wake up at 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Trade whatever it is at 1, 2, 3. Go to bed. Oh no, I'll be up for Asian. So for pretty much 1, I'll trade to like 12. I trade to like 3 a.m. because of London, because I miss New York, right? So I'll be like up to like 3 a.m. I wouldn't even wake up for New York, and it's just be like, I'm missing the most volatile session when it's my time zone too. So I knew I had to wake up for New York. Because when you wake up for New York, you can just trade for 3 hours that morning, the most volatile session, because it's technically the London overlap, and then you can just call it a day for the rest of the day. Technically, I don't have to trade I don't have to trade Asian, right? But at this point, I think like I'm treating Asian as I treat New York now, with the nice pushes Asian gives us.
It works out.
Yeah, it works out.
That's kind of how I am. Like I go to bed at like 9 or 10 Central Time. Then I'll get up for London, and then I'll trade until the end of not the end of New York, but like to like 8, and then I take like an hour nap, and then just do whatever I do for the rest of the day. So I'll go to bed at like 11. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, what time is it there right now? My time? 8:20 or 9? I mean 7,
I'm
right?
I'm an hour behind. So
Yeah,
it's
7.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Any more GG buys? Yeah, probably above these levels here. You can get buys here. I don't see why not. Buys above here is clean traffic up to this target. Pretty nice buys here. Look left. This target always gets tapped once it breaks back into the range here. So nice 24-bit move here on GJ. If you do break above, let's see what happens here though. If this is off daily low, then because GG day kind of flipping bullish now. So if this is a daily low, we can potentially come up to it. It's just that we haven't actually had a daily kind of closure. I was expecting one yesterday. If you close the day kind of yesterday bullish, that would have been good to go today to go buys. If you close around 135, 134.85, I would take buys today all the way up to like 138.6 whatever. But now like we close bearish, we gotta wait for this day kind of close. So this day count is gonna close. If it does close bullish, it's gonna close with a nice huge wick to the downside, showing a huge rejection to the downside to continue up bullish. So if we do close, let's say above like I don't know 134.800 or anywhere there, we're probably gonna push up tomorrow to like 135, 244 or something, right? But it's gonna have to depend on this day count closure. It's gonna be a very important closure today. Again, buys are clean. I just did not take any buys. I think I missed the buys at 7 a.m. here. That would have been my last entries for buys. Guys, I found a little hack, you know. So, you know how my back was hurting? I should show you guys. This how I know this is how some of you guys be when you guys trade. I know this is how some of you guys be. Where is it? As we speak right now, this is you guys. You can't lie to me. As we speak right now, this is you guys. Oh man, this is literally Sam right now. Sounds like hunchback, you know. Like that's me sometimes too. Not gonna lie, like it just naturally goes like that. But I found a hack, guys. I lowered my chair. My chair used to be way up high, and now like I lowered it, I feel much more relaxed. I can sit back, you know. It's pretty neat. I like it like this, so my back's not like this anymore. But I know this is you guys too, and I know this is you guys right now as well. Wait, yo, you guys hear volume or not? You guys didn't hear anything, right?
Nah, I don't hear anyone.
No. But now, do you guys hear it now? Hold on. You guys hear this? You guys hear that? Zoom chat or not?
Yeah, I heard it.
Was it loud?
Yeah, kind of, not too loud.
This page is so funny, yo. I was going through it, like, this is some of you guys when you guys got started into forex. $300 to $1 million. Holy shit.
Can you imagine?
This is the $500 starter pack. Oh my god, bro. These memes are so funny. What's happening here?
Let's get it. Yeah. They're fucking poor.
What is this? I don't know what that is.
I don't even know what it is. Yeah, I don't even know what it is.
When you got your first $50 profits.
Oh, fucking yes! She's not telling me!
Oh shit.
Your first withdrawal. Definitely.
Yo, look at this, bro. This is Sam right now. No cap.
I'm so shitty in 27.
Look. That's the toilet. Yo. Life of a trader.
Forex.
It's just so funny, guys. If you guys want laughter, go on that page. Forex trading memes.
Would have been a nice buy 30 minutes before London. That's alright, no FOMO.
Yo guys, if you guys haven't yet, follow up the Instagram page. The Instagram page is right here. Controller FX. Follow us up, guys. We're doing a giveaway very soon. Very soon. Yeah. Very soon, guys.
Yeah, wasn't there some people from IML there too?
Yeah, a lot.
Yeah.
Full house, we don't miss. I don't want to go on my regular page. Where else? Ooh. How's gold reacting right now? Gold, let's see. Gold's bearish. Oh, damn. Gold broke the lows. Tough. Okay. Potential sells here on gold, Ashley. Potential sells here.
Yep. Right.
Yo, what up, bros? What up, broskis? Yo, day count, gold day count's about to break the lows here, yo.
Bruh, that freaking bank line was freaking tragic, bro.
Oh, you went to the
And
bank?
yo, I muted my mic and was trying to stay on, but I don't know how.
Like,
my mic
yeah, your mic kept delaying.
Yeah, I was like, wait. My mic is off, and everyone's saying I'm still talking. I'm like, yo, I'm not talking. I'm not talking.
I think it's just a delay, a little delay then.
Shit, I don't know. All right. But
Gold could drop. Gold could drop like 1800.
Yeah, like looking at gold, we're breaking the daily low as we speak right now. 1 hour is currently bearish. Ooh, if we can come down to like maybe these targets here for gold today. Now see how gold is much more clear now, guys, than before earlier in the streams. Because right at 6:30 a.m. gold is looking hella choppy, but now it looks way more clean now. It's actually closing with structure. Stalls to like these targets, prop potentially 802 potential. Let's see. Probably gonna have to
Oh
wait for the 1
shit!
hour something here.
You
GJ?
see that?
GJ?
Look at gold.
Happened.
Okay.
Look at
Oh,
it.
there's news there. Yeah, it's
It looks like it.
retail sales right here. Retail sales, guys. I forgot about this. Yeah, retail sales. Yeah, for stalls, you're gonna have to wait for a 1 hour kind of the close below in the range here. But let's see how it closes there. News. Let's see US 30. Let's see what it's doing here. 30-minute candle, closing bearish. You know.
Look for any buys on DJ.
I might not.
What's that thing like the 4-hour flip?
Like, I think like any entrance for me now might be a little doomed. I think unless we got like a tighter stop, like unless we form some range, because like the next target for you is probably up here at 134.
I put a buy stop before I went back to sleep at 134 268. Bit running. Close
Like, this
half
is a target for GJ. It's just that like.
for today.
What you say?
It's nice.
For today.
They probably. Yeah, probably for a day up here,
Gotcha.
134, 848. But like, I just I don't know, man. And just up here, just it's a little too doomed for me. You know what I mean? Like, it's a little stops are a little too big for me. The range is not. You know,
I like the music,
I much
bro.
have preferred entering a buy down here. To be honest.
I like the music, bro.
My music's the same shit, bro.
Bye.
Oh, you hear it on the stream now?
Yeah.
Is there an echo?
Like, I don't know if you turned it down or not, but I heard it before.
Is there an echo?
It's not echo. It's just playing.
Is it loud
Yeah.
though? Is it good?
No,
It's
Should I
good.
keep it or take it off?
no, it's good. It's good.
Alright, cool.
You should crank the Monty, bro. Play that EDM music.
I got you.
Bruh, 4 o'clock in the morning. Yo, my grandma came
Yo,
in. She was like,
3
boy,
a.m. in
what
the
the hell
morning.
Yo, my grandma was like, boy, what the hell are you doing? I'm like, yo, I'm just watching a YouTube stream, alright? Bro, all you hear is yo. Bruh, have you not learned?
Nah, man. What is learning? What is learning, guys? It's called over leverage.
Big, huh?
It's like-
But yeah, I gotta dip out a little early there.
Yeah, you good, bro? You straight?
Peace.
Straight.
No, not now.
Oh, gold's breaking the 1 hour highs here.
Probably like 9:20. I gotta
What's that
dip.
You straight, bro. You straight, bro. Yo, gold's breaking the 1 hour highs here, guys.
Bro, what?
We're breaking the 1 hour highs here. This is the range.
Yo.
This looks much clearer now. This is the range, guys. If we're breaking the 1 hour high to come back in the range, what do you guys think is gonna happen here on gold?
It's bad
Yo.
up. Fly.
Hey Don, can I have some thoughts on this? Never did this before. Yeah, I got you, bro. Send whatever you got. Send here. Got you, bro.
Bro, GJ is
This one.
blessing me.
This
You
one
know,
on
take
GJ
a
is.
Jimmy,
small
how do you
loss.
get those? Jimmy, how do you get those buy stops?
Me? It was before I went back to sleep. I'm like, all right. It looks like good news finna come out today. So I was like, I just put it there.
Looks like
Stop
good news
below.
gonna come out today.
Yeah, I was like, it's nothing but good news because I did like a little bit of research before I went back to sleep. I'm like, all right, it looks like this finna be good and this finna be good.
Nice.
Damn.
And then I was like, fuck it.
Nice.
I put it before I went to sleep. Put my stops like at 134, 100, and then let that bitch run.
How did news come out?
Bro.
News came out
came
negative.
out like-
You're up.
It came out positive.
You're
The
up
last
like
forward came out negative, meaning that
You're up like
we're
30
most
pips.
likely gonna come down today on dollar pairs. So gold is gonna push up today, and you said we're gonna push down today.
Right now, I'm up. Yeah, you're right. 30 pips. But I close half and just put at entry so it can run. I'm just chilling.
Nice.
Oh, DJ been blessing, bro. You know, I took that light loss in London. Bro, man, I'm gonna work on that. I shouldn't have. I
I
was.
took one too.
Yeah.
Why are you trading in London, sir?
London was just rangy this morning.
Yeah.
I usually,
Like, yeah, the
can catch,
cells
like, a
were super clean. I'm not gonna. hold you.
Yeah, that's where
Those were
yeah,
super
like,
clean cells.
Yeah.
But yeah, I put in a buy at a retest. Stupid ass boy. I'm working on that. Got necked. I'm like, all right, I'm going to sleep. I'm like, if I stay up, I'm finna take another trade.
Yeah, usually I'll be fine. I catch like 10 or 15 pips in London to be done, but
But Jimmy, the question is,
So-
would you take the exact same entry again if you
Yes.
get stopped out?
yeah,
Okay,
Yes,
okay, that's all
yes,
that matters. See you guys.
Bruh, I take that entry a lot of times. I'm not even gonna say like the percentage or times.
same.
It's just like I see it play out. Like I
That's
see,
why I wasn't
I
tripping
see the
about it.
support get tested a lot, like
Right.
a couple of times. Where I'm like, okay, I've seen this. I usually take this entry a lot, so I put in a buy. It got retested super hard, and then shot back up. I'm like, what? And then I'm like, I'm gonna chill out.
Guys, you hear that, guys?
Put in buy stuff.
You know what that sounds like, guys? That sounds like improvement. You know, Jimmy
Improvement.
went from a. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys Jimmy. I'm
Yeah,
gonna go
it's
back.
night and day, bro.
I'm gonna go back on a YouTube clip because Jimmy biggest improvement within last couple
Biggest
months. I'm not gonna lie. So I'll show you guys how he sounds. You guys probably hear in his voice how he sounds when he started streams. This guy was talking about, I think oil's not buy at 10 p.m. this Friday. I'll show you guys how he sounds at the beginning of the streams. Let's go back to like way back.
Yeah.
Nothing happened. Oh, there's an echo in the first stream. Rip. Let's go on like somewhere else. Let's go on April 2nd or something. Alright, this is a high I made it. You can just tell like in his voice like he's in like with his analysis, so he's been improving. So big ups to Jimmy though. You know what the crazy part is, guys? He doesn't even have the course. That's the crazy part. He doesn't have the course at all. He just, you know, comes to the live streams every morning, shows up, take his notes, do whatever, and yeah, it's just and now he has the, you know. Maybe this was a fake. I used to play ball, but
Like the one that beat Cats.
here, this is Jimmy. It's here.
Yeah.
That shit was
Oh,
lit,
brother.
No lie.
God damn, who
This
is
is Corona. This is Corona Man Jimmy right now, bro. All through April, I had the virus.
Yeah. I used to have them fucking.
what game?
I used to have.
Oh man, where'd you talk? Did you talk anywhere?
Right there. Right
No,
there.
you're talking about like when you talk about trading. Give me like 1 second. Hold down.
Oh, right here, right here.
I think you guys can draw on my screen and shit. Like yes, if you guys. There.
Hey, this was me.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is chop. This is chop. Let's go like May actually, cause May. Let's go like around here. We're going to May. Damn, bruh. You good, bruh?
I'm good.
That didn't sound right.
Yeah,
That went straight through my ear, bro. I think I got it too from that.
I can laugh. Get tested.
Oh, we had a self stop here. Did it play out? You know, like this buy made more sense, but that was obviously. Yeah, this buy would be nice. Everywhere we go, this buy looks nice. I think the only thing I would have done better here was probably just have self stops below this candle.
Didn't made a
But
for it.
No, I'm gonna give you a date. I'm gonna give you a date.
Cause like guys, I'm trying to show you guys here is that Jimmy just used to always say, I think we're gonna get you know a thing off here, you know he used to just like predict a bunch of shit, and now he's just a lot more logical, and that's what I'm trying to say here. Like he's been improving as a trader, and it shows, guys. It shows.
I was gonna say the date after I blew my account on oil, but
Oil,
I
what was oil?
I wasn't on stream. That was April 21st. I was on stream that day.
Hold on, I'm looking for a chat where you said oil's gonna go out at 10 p.m. I'm gonna look for it.
Oh, that's in the live stream.
Yeah, I'm looking for it.
Hold on. I think you can just.
I'm search it. Oh my god, this is.
Bro, how do you search in the thing? Oh, I see it.
Oh man. Hold on. My old 10 p.m. You see it? You see it? You see it?
Hold on.
I see Locke's part. I don't see your part of it.
Yeah.
Locke
I see
was
Locke's part.
joking though.
Yeah.
He was making fun of you or something. No, oil is 18 area. Oh my god. Oh my god, back on. Okay, let's see.
Fuck it.
Oh man.
I'm dead. I'm deceased.
Hey, Henrique, send me a new chart. I can't get your chart for some reason. It doesn't load up. Just send a new link. Oh man, that's funny. Oh, USD is coming down here to the target. 26611 is the USD target here. Unfortunately, guys, we are not getting entries that. Well, not unfortunately, it's actually pretty good. Yeah, you know, very disciplined today. Let's see. I haven't entered any entries yet. Did call by as above that level, but other than that, it's like. Yeah, if the G does come back in a range, look for sells maybe, but like it's just now that we're breaking the 4 highs, we're closing bullish in the 4-hour time frame. Bear sells are out of the picture, kinda.
Yeah.
Like I don't know, man. Like actually, no, we actually could come down. Like, cause this 4-hour candle could actually still come down to do something like this. It's the last hourly, right? So we got 4 or 5 minutes left, right? So if you do come down like this, you could potentially close like this. You have a nice wick, because if it closes like this, you know what's gonna happen, guys, on a smaller time frame? It means that price is gonna. What happened?
You mean 19 minutes?
Yeah, 20 minutes. My bad. Yeah. So GG does come down here. It could come down to the range to the support and make some support to go up, and this would be much more clean for buys. Like, if this happens, guys. So this is the day target up here at 134.80 848. So preferably, I wouldn't want to get in buys for here. There's just a bunch of doom candles, meaning that stops are way too big. What you could wait for is you can wait for a range to be made. How is that range to be made? Well, you gotta come down like this, and then you gotta continue to come down. See that support? This kind of has to close bearish though, and then you create some type of support here. Looking left. And then what happens after is you get a bullish candle closure at the bottom of the range, or you might get a low range for a little bit, and then eventually pop up. So from here, you can see that we have a nice like range, I guess. So you have a nice resistance. You have a nice, resistance. You have a nice support, and now what's happening is you have a range, because this is now a range, right? And then what happens after is you can get a bullish candle coming up, and this would be the entry. This candle right here is the entry for buys coming up, because then it'll probably pop up, and then eventually it's gonna break out the range because we're retesting the high second time around. Because now this 4-hour candle is gonna create a wick fill, right? And then for price to go up. That's all that is. But yeah, this would be much more ideal, because then your stops will only have to be like, you know, down there, entry up here, take partials here, let the runner go up to this day target, and this would be much more lovely. This would be ideally trade. But then again, this could not happen. This is just a possibility, because this happens a lot in the markets. You guys probably noticed that. Come back down to make a range to continue back up. So yeah, or you can just push straight up here. Who knows? On just 1 hour candle here. But you gotta be patient. You gotta be very patient.
Very patient.
Alright guys, just because I know, just because I say like this is a day target, I know it's on tap of target, doesn't mean I'm gonna enter right off the bat when there's no type of confirmation for me. You know, you have to wait. Standard chart. This one's not working. I think I sent it wrong. Hold on.
Bro, the governor of Georgia said nowhere's allowed to wear masks anymore. I'm scared for my life, bro.
What do you mean? No one's
Like,
allowed
he's
to wear a
banning-
mask?
Yeah, he's banning it. He
Why?
said if you're wearing it, because I don't know, he just straight up banned it yesterday. I'm like, bruh, Trump coming town, y'all want to act up. 1, they talked about banning the mask. 2, they're talking about adding
Why
more
they ban a
lanes.
mask though?
I don't know, bro. This fucking farming degree major ass mayor does not know what he's doing, bro. We're gonna die.
Why is he
I'm
banning a
gonna die.
mask though?
I don't know.
Well,
He's
what
dumb,
do you
bruh.
get out of that? Like, what's the harm? What's the harm in wearing a mask though?
Bruh, I don't know.
What are they harming? Like,
It's not a harm, bro. It's safety. But this man said, "Do not wear it." Like he made.
but
executive
why? What's
order.
the
He said,
reason? That's
"Do
weird.
not wear it, bruh. This man's a
Stupid.
fucking. He's a cowboy, bruh. He don't care. You don't care.
Alright. Anyways, guys, this chart, long if GG15 close above, yeah, yep, above this range.
Where's your target, my friend?
His target's up here.
Oh, gotcha.
Oh no, he's talking about fake out. We've come down. Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Close above, yeah. Short at 15, close below, yeah. Below will be down here, yeah. 3 ideas look okay, but stop loss is a problem, yeah. So 1 hour. The thing is even if this candle does close bearish, the 1 hour candle will still be bullish either way, no matter what happens, unless this candle comes down all the way down to the support and breaks that low. This is the 1 hour low right there. But I think could be an ideal trade to see. You're in range territory right now, so you wait for a break obviously at this range. You're in traffic territory.
No,
right
it said he made it so that it's not mandatory.
now. Oh.
Yeah, it's not forcing everyone to not wear it.
Yeah, okay, so that's I don't know what I was gonna say, like what the hell?
Still, it's bad, bro. Hella old people everywhere, and Karen's gonna act up once they read that, bro. No
Bro, if
math
you're
on
old,
this shit.
stay your ass home. The fuck?
Chill, bro.
Why'd you go out, bro? Why?
Hey, man. Maybe old people, hungry and don't have no one to pick it up for them.
Yeah, that's facts.
Or old people just want to go outside and go for a walk. Yeah, stay your ass home, like words from Sam Lee himself. Stay your ass.
I mean,
home.
shit. But if you're
Yeah.
scared of the virus and shit,
Yeah.
then like, I don't know.
Stay your ass home. Look at that. But yeah,
I should be the governor of Georgia.
nah, bro.
Fuck they talking about.
I'm scared. Gonna say everyone must have.
Wait, whose mic is that?
MP5 downloaded. Your mic.
That's not mine. That's mine.
Yeah.
No, it's this. I'm
Yeah,
sharing.
bro, your
this-
mic's tripping right now.
It's your mic, bro. I swear.
Okay, how about now? It's not. It's good now.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
'Cause I'm
now.
sharing
But
the
it was
audio.
Your mic, though.
It was.
Yeah, it was your mic. Dang.
Nah,
this shit
because
is
like I'm sharing
pushing,
my
baby.
audio, right? So whenever you guys talk, you guys might hear yourself. You guys don't hear all those noises that you guys make.
It should be. What's your target?
My target is 135.85, top of the range.
Jesus.
Yep. Because you see all this momentum, volume right now, is highly likely gonna hit that shit. But if I want a super target for today, I'll tell you my super target.
I think
It
the
is
target for GG is very lovely here.
my super target 135.232. That's my super target for today. But my first target is that 135.80.
What do you guys recommend for offshore brokers for your clients? I don't know. I'm from Canada.
Options?
Ask Jimmy here. He's from America.
Oh. Oh yeah, Awanda. Yeah. Pepperstone.
He's offshore.
Is he from the States or what's up?
No, he wants offshore brokers. I don't know.
Offshore?
Probably use like
I
KLT
don't-
Forex, this kind of thing.
Oh, he's talking about like brokers? Yeah, bro, you try your domain. Get right. Get right,
Yeah.
my friend. Chase domain was, I think, one of my best switches, man. Pretty good.
Yeah, I use Travis the main. Link in the bio.
Yeah.
Link in the description, guys.
Yeah. My chest hurt. Alright. GJ is breaking through these freaking levels like nothing.
Yep.
Dang. I am so lucky I put that buy side right before I went to sleep.
What if he
Yeah,
gets stopped?
that's a crazy trade.
Huh? Oh, my buy stops, stop loss was 134, 100. I put it in right before that last retest. The one I got stopped out in.
Mhm.
And then I'm gonna put it above the range a little. So yeah. Then I almost hit my buy stop stop loss, but that bit just pushed.
That what? Excuse me?
That big.
The big.
Yo, you see the new Travis the main thing? Website? You
Website?
click on it, it goes
No way. Let's see.
Yo, there's a new link.
Yo, hold on.
I think it
Let
goes
me look at it.
it's like it looks sick. It was like
Hold on. That's hard. Hold on. Oh, that's hard.
you know what that looks like?
What's up?
Oh, only the mobile it shows. Never mind. Go, guys, go control FX on your mobile. It goes.
Bruh, everything looks so nice now. Sheesh. I haven't been on the website in a while. Because I don't make deposits. I make withdrawals.
Yeah, I made one beginning of July and
Yeah,
I mean ending of June.
last week when I bought my Thule.
Woke up in my Thule. What it do?
What it do? I got an ACOG on that motherfucker. Bruh, that shit, man.
ACOG.
Bruh, it's like I'm gonna be real, bro. I was scared shooting it at first, and then like I'm gonna hit the range again this weekend. Get more
Yeah, I'm from
practice in.
Canada, so I don't know about Timbits and you know.
10 bits.
You don't know what
Strap?
Timbits are. You have no idea. No,
Strap?
you have no idea what Timbits are. No idea. You Americans have no idea what they are.
All right, Canadian. What is a 10 bit?
Search it up, bro.
Dang, bro.
Search it up, bro.
Go Canadian.
Man.
You don't know what Timbits are? The holes in the donuts, the little donut things. You hasn't got
Ew.
this. You hasn't got this.
Ew.
I'm
What?
busted, bro.
Bruh, those
Yes.
look like, hey Robert, what's those things called? Whoppers? But for cereal?
Like,
They're just like donut circles.
Right.
like
Bruh.
donut holes.
Krispy Kreme got them, bro. What
Hey,
you
look,
mean?
it says it right there, donut holes.
What you mean? Americans got that. It's called freaking Krispy Kreme, bro.
We got
Look up
Krispy Kreme too,
Kreme.
but
Oh,
you
Krispy
guys
Kreme
have
slap.
You guys don't have Tim Hortons though. You guys don't have Tim Hortons, do you?
I don't
Oh,
even
no,
eat
no.
sweets no more.
Nah.
I'm like
I
super.
don't know. Tim Hortons is kind of mid. They can't.
It's mid, but like yeah, in America it's kind of dead. Only in Boston or some places they have.
It's
Tim
only in like
Hortons.
yeah. It's
Up
only
north,
like
bro.
north.
Up
Yeah.
north.
Yeah, up north. Yeah.
South side, we do salt. We don't.
Nah,
do
nah.
Oh no,
He said
yeah,
we didn't
you guys
salt.
have like Dunkin'
Yeah.
Donuts and shit.
You guys and stuff do this.
Oh, hey, bro.
This is
Chill,
the-
chill.
This is you guys right here.
It's like,
Oh,
Yeah,
this is the
yeehaw.
definition of America right here.
Yeehaw.
he does all himself.
Literally the definition of
Yeehaw.
America.
That's me.
He loves. I never even had crawfish before.
Adrian, put me on.
Nah, man.
Send me a plate for my birthday, bro.
All right, don't worry, bro. I'll ship it over.
Yo,
I'll just-
will it be okay?
I'll ship it over.
might be a little
Yeah,
soiled.
they put ice on it. Little foiled.
Nah, bro. I'm gonna send it over to you raw, and you gotta cook it. All right.
Why would I do
Happy
that with
birthday.
buy it myself?
Look up what's her name? Sarah Bland. How to
that?
cook seafood.
Oh,
Just like-
seafood boil.
Just like look up Eric Gordon. That's an Eric Gordon. Gordon Ramsay.
Eric Jordan.
Go
That's an
ahead.
Eric Gordon. I'm dead. I've been playing 2K too much. How is he so fine 2K but ass in real life? Something not adding up. He be shooting lights out. What's this? Oh. How far is that? Oh, that's 12 minutes. Hey, man.
I think you just gonna fly it. Come down here. We're bringing these lows. Very high chance of coming down here to support. Oh man, that's how the war starts. Oh god, who's Mike?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's Chris. Yo, Chris, what up, bro? Too stubborn, Chris. Too stubborn, Chris. Yeah, I think the UF30 target could be here once the Audi kind of closes there. This is the ultimate target today. Let's see. There's a Timmy's
my
in
phone is
Buffalo.
tapped.
Oh yeah, Buffalo's near Canada. Yeah, there's part of Tim Hortons there. Yeah. That's like literally not. That's literally Canada probably. Detroit is pretty much Canada.
Bro, my phone's tapped. That's crazy.
Your phone doesn't have touchscreen? Right.
Yeah, no, it's tapped. Like type. It's like for Americans.
Maybe it's
I
messed
think
up.
any phone.
It's messed
I think
up.
any phone, any iPhone. Type #21 pound, and then if all like the shit on the screen says disabled, then your phone's not tapped. But if it does say enabled, then your shit tapped. That's on you. Look at that. Wee woo.
Now, guys, range.
Range.
Yeah. What happened to 6ix9ine? He's off
Huh?
the
Oh.
Instagram.
Yeah, he can't be on for 2 weeks.
Why? You got banned or something, or just what? The
No,
last.
he just got off house arrest, and that's one of his
Oh, so you can't get on for 2
things he
weeks.
gotta do.
The last weeks you can't get on.
Yeah, he said
Oh.
for 2 weeks. He can't.
He just got off. He just got off already.
Yeah, he got off. He just got off his house arrest, but then they said he has to stay off social media for 2 weeks.
Oh shit! He's gonna be. And that's supposed to be a Lambo, man, or like a song or something. It's gonna be huge because
Song.
like I don't know about that last song, or I don't know about Trolls, but that was kind of
Yeah.
He didn't do as good as Guba.
Ass.
Hey guys.
Oh no, not this again.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, I closed phone.
Oh,
God, rip, guys, rip. Oh my
Actually,
life.
I'm done. Good night, man.
Oh man, that's so funny, bro. This is my all-time my favorite clip. I'm not even gonna lie, cause look, he has like,
Bruh, you not know how.
look how far that trade was gonna go though. Look
It
at
was
it.
at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, I closed phone.
Oh
Oh,
my God, rip. And Taj just made it more fun of his laugh, bro. It was hilarious.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like, ah.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No, I closed phone.
Oh
Oh,
my God, rip, guys, rip. Oh, it sounded like a fake laugh or something, man.
That was hilarious, bro.
And this one too. This is not a Jimmy clip.
134, sir?
Yep.
Huh?
Mhm.
Nah.
Nah.
What?
Nah.
That's
That's
a
not
Houdini.
Ah, that's loud.
I'm my ear.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Reason for the no delay, no uploads recently, is because I'm trying to figure out what software I'm gonna use for edit. But I think I found one. I was supposed to make a video yesterday, didn't make it yet. We had nice sells yesterday on GJ, or nice, was it nice buys yesterday on GJ? So, yep. Looking like the 1 hour's unclosed bullish here. Stocks are way too big though.
Yep. Let's see.
If you guys enjoyed the stream so far, leave a like. Leave a like for our patience level. Leave a like for the GG buys I called this morning. Didn't actually answer, but they call it. If I do answer, you guys will see the plus or negative pips, whatever it is that we're in. But there was no entry today, so I mean, there's just trades called, right? So, alright, let me put this up. Is the font too big? Should I make it smaller?
No,
You
it's
should
cool.
put it at like the bottom left corner.
Yeah.
Left.
Yeah, bottom left, so they can see it better. And then like
Or
top,
top
right,
right.
you can't see
Yeah.
it because you know all the candles and whatnot.
Really?
Yeah.
You're right. I don't use the bottom left of my screen. I don't like how it looks though.
That looks good.
Yeah, I like the
Bottom
top
left.
right. I like the top right. I don't know.
Top right?
I mean, as long as they can see it, like Jimmy said, as long as they can see it.
If we move it down here. Oh no. My bad.
Bottom left. or bottom right, since you know your watch list is not that big.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, bottom
Yeah,
right. But like no one
Oh,
will
like
see
where
this
the
though.
watch list. No. I'm talking about where the watch list is. The right side in general. Yeah, like move it up.
Like all that space.
Yeah, all that space. Man.
There?
Yeah,
How's that
yeah.
look? I don't know what I
You know,
feel about that.
I'll look better, bro. Looks more cleaner. It won't take out the rest of it.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Like it's on like no. Yeah.
It looks good. It looks good, bro. Try something new out, man. What is this?
Why does it look so choppy though? You guys like this? Chat? You guys like that or you guys like top left? I don't think it's that unusual. I think it's doing pretty nice there. Looking pretty good. I guess it's moving. It's moving. Like this candle's probably gonna pop off here. Oh. Could you attempt a trade here?
Yeah, I'm in GJ right now.
You got the 1 hour current candle, right? This
Yeah,
wick
I
flow
seen the
looks
15.
lovely.
I seen the 15 close with no bottom wick and that rejection, and I was like, yeah.
Oh, you're in for a buy?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna attempt to trade here too, guys. Stops are current candle low. This is a low
Yeah.
for hourly, and TP is up here for a target on GJ.
Damn.
Yeah, I just saw this because I didn't see any peep the way it closed. So
Yeah,
like
8 pips here.
these stops are a bit more aggressive because it's the current candle low, right? So I'm saying, okay, if this is the liquidity wick for price to go up, then this is the low. This is the low for candles to go but this is the low for the hourly
SJ
candle
move.
which wants to drive up here. In profit here.
Oh my days.
Closing half.
You're 10 pips already?
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, we gone down here.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice, beautiful trade. Oh, we're pushing here, guys. 6 pips. Oh, shit. Beautiful.
Very nice. Stops too much.
Oh, moving up here.
Nice.
About 6% profit.
Who's in?
Yep. If this is a low, guys.
Boy,
So like when the 15 closes bullish here, this is gonna be a low, right? So this is a very good stops. I think once you break the 15-minute highs, there should be a high, like, big push up here to this target.
I should? No. That's dumb.
Look left, guys. There's no traffic here. Looking left on GJ.
That's dumb. Put logical TP. How are you gonna hit that area? What do you think?
134, 800, right? 844, 48.
Yeah, it's gonna hit that first, and then like the main thing I'm looking at is 135, 85, or 135, 80, because it's top of the range. You know, just like filling the range.
Bro, I love it when I love it when candles close with no bottom wick before like that, like hourly opens or something.
Oh yeah, it means that it's
'Cause then
probably
it's
gonna,
just
yeah,
like a co-
an
yeah,
extra
like-
low confirmation. Yeah, I didn't realize that. Yeah,
Yeah.
good call out there. Yep. So what Sam meant was that like this candle right here, guys, this 15-minute candle here, it had no bottom wick when it closed. It's the hourly candle, so it doesn't matter. The hourly candle still closed bullish. It left a nice liquidity, it left a nice wick to go up, right, for a wick fill. So now what this candle is doing is this candle is filling that wick on the hourly time frame, not this wick, but this 1 hour wick. You see that? So yeah, I think we're like what in profit here? How many pips? 6 pips in profit here. Good trade.
A lot of pips.
Think you're safe to move stops to entry here on GG, guys. Currently going to move stops to entry here.
I secured full 10 pips and dip.
Yeah, you're good,
That's
bro.
right. That's
My
right.
stops are
Yeah.
entry here, guys, on GG. Risk-free trade.
Close half, and that'd be it, run.
Should be good to come up to like 134, 850.
Yeah, 100%. 100. Yo, guys, I didn't trade Asian last night, guys. Asian last night was kind of, yeah.
No, Asian was whack.
Like I didn't look at it because the
Bruh.
day kind of way it closed. Cause you know how like you can kind of tell now. I know you can tell now. Probably when the day kind of closes, you can tell if it's gonna be a nice volume day or not. Just the way it closed, like there wasn't gonna be much opportunities. The way I
Did it
saw
close?
it.
No, like it
How did
was
it
like
close?
you could have caught clean sells.
Yeah,
but,
yeah, sales are
I-
clean though.
Like I caught a sell on this hourly candle,
Mhm.
on like the first like hourly candle that came down,
Mhm.
and then the first 30-minute candle closed bullish. So I was like, all right, fuck this. I'm just exit this trade, and then it came down.
Waterfall.
Yeah. At the daily close, yeah, before Asian. No.
I got soaked. I got soaked.
You guys, this would be my only trade attempt for GJ today. Took buys here. Runner risk-free trade stops at entry. Currently like 4 of 3% profit. Oof. So you know we've been patient all day. Waited like what 3 hours, no trade, and now we have a trade. So now let's execute on it. You started broke highs, come back into range. Wow, that's tough. You started broke the 1 hour high, guys. So sells were valid. Yeah, as the 4 hour close. Oh, 4 hour close doji, but sells were valid as 1 hour candle close here. I was anticipating that this should respect this high for price to drive down, but now we're actually breaking this high. So meaning that we might just be stuck in this low range here for a bit. I'm expecting the open at 9 a.m. to push us down, but I think we're broken highs here, so there's really no trade right now. Gold's not doing anything. GJ is the only mover. GJ looking the cleanest right now of all 3 pairs, guys. So, you know, we waited all morning for this, so now let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. You know, above these candles right here, looking left, there's no traffic, so just see, survive the entry, and we should be good to go to TP.
Do y'all use period traders? I didn't say period traders. Period separators. And y'all MetaTrader or no?
No, I don't.
Good, cause awesome. It's like I used to use them, but not anymore. Just takes up the chart.
Oof.
Lines out here, dude.
Guys, if this
Low
tra-
key,
if-
bro.
if this-
Don't. So what are you gonna say?
Oh no, what?
Low key, don't flame me, but I've been using trend lines.
Boy, I'm finna get y'all.
Yeah?
Please.
I'm playing.
Nah, like not like I'm not
Send
using
me
it
a
like.
chart. Like, okay,
I'm not
I
using it to
kind of know what you
take a
mean.
trade, But
Yeah,
but,
like
if you look at the 4-hour structure of GJ, like
Yeah.
it's like
yeah,
it's
I know what you mean. I
respected,
know what
like,
you mean.
certain
Yeah.
areas, like
Like you don't use it, but like you
I don't
you
use it,
see
no,
the
but it's
trend.
like-
You see the
it just kind
trend.
of guides it a little.
Yeah,
bit,
it guides it. That's
yeah.
what I mean. Yeah, it
Yeah,
guides
Trend
it.
line from me.
Yeah, it's different when you use them.
Send me a
trend
chart,
lines
Sam.
Sound like-
to
But
try to
like,
get
like, I know
weekly
you don't
futures.
draw on your chart though. I know that's what you mean, right? I know, because Ted does the same thing. Ted talks about them. He does the exact same thing. He doesn't use trend lines, but he
I know,
uses it
yeah.
to
Well,
guide them.
that's I just watched like one of Ted's videos.
Yeah,
like, on
yeah,
YouTube,
yeah.
like,
I know exactly what you're
yeah,
talking
and I
about.
was like,
Exactly.
yeah, it kind of makes sense. But I'm not gonna be like, oh, it bounced off the trend
Yeah,
line. so I'm
yeah,
gonna
yeah,
sell it.
exactly,
Like, nah,
exactly.
yeah.
Yeah,
now
that's like the I guess.
But I'll
Yeah.
I'll look for confirmations like for sales like around the trend line area though. Like
Yeah, I know what you mean. I know exactly what you
Like
mean.
you just using the stat confirmation. No,
Yeah.
I feel.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean.
I'm gonna be real. I don't even know how to do a trend line for real, right?
just
Okay.
See the
whatever
trend line?
illustrates the trend, I guess.
Let's look. If it's going one way, I'll follow that way. Yeah. If it's going one way, I'll follow that way. What?
I'm from
Why
East
are you-
Atlanta, Georgia.
Who?
Me.
Boy. Wait, what street you from, cuz?
I think it was. Hold on, give me a second.
I gonna lie. What is the most dangerous part of East Atlanta?
Lennox
I gonna lie.
Hold on. Hold on. I gotta pick something up. Hold on, give me a second.
Bro, I stay in Lennox. What you talking about?
Lennox, you rich.
All up in the mall.
Damn. Nice.
I'm from Castleberry Hill, bro.
Oh hell no, I'm dead. That place is
I'm from
disgusting,
Kirkwood,
bro.
actually.
Oh my, bro, you nasty, bro. That's where the highest AIDS is. You nasty.
I'm from Kirkwood.
Oh hell.
I'm from Kirkwood, dude.
You're from Brampton. Shut up, bitch.
You're from
Brampton.
Tristan Thompson's from Brampton.
Don is literally a Brampton man though.
Oh no, bro. You haven't seen Brampton?
Seen a little bit of it.
Brampton's bum
I got
cheeks.
some brown. I see. I got some brown boys in there.
Yeah,
is
I
Brown.
don't fuck with Scarborough. Like I
Look.
don't like Scarborough like at all. Hate that
Man.
place.
Why Brampton look homeless?
I swear there's like rich people in Brampton too though. Like rich brown people.
Yeah.
Anyways, back to us. Look,
No, but if you're from Brampton, you're like probably sus. Like,
you a bit.
Raja said no trade.
like, not even,
Yeah. You know. There was no trade for me. There's one trade for me earlier actually. The one attempt here. Well, would have been a trade here. I didn't answer. That was the only trade for me. This trade is just like a little more higher stop loss. It's a risk-free trade right now anyway, so it doesn't even matter. I'm still in it. Yeah, it's a risk-free trade. Comes to this target. I think as long as we respect my entry, we should be good. But it has a higher chance of hitting my entry than actually going up because this entry is in the middle of this candle. So if our entry was down here, it would have been much more clean because this is the low. But technically, now that the 50 minutes closing, this is the low for price to go up for the hourly. So yeah, see you guys see what I mean though. So we just gotta survive the next 15-minute pullback, and we should be good to go up. But this is like my only trade of the day. Literally the only trade of the day. If it's entry, then I'm calling it a day today because today there was not much opportunities ever shown. The only opportunity I would say was the 7 a.m. one candle. That was it. But yeah.
listen,
Yeah, I'm so good. Homie really told me I'm from Brampton. I could pull up anytime if you wanted to fight. I'm like, bruh, what is that? You lame brown boy.
Brown boy.
I'm from the Rex.
Yeah, man.
Oh, pushing here, guys. We are pushing here. Yeah, let's see. The higher this count closes, the lower chance we have of hitting our entries.
Like, man's got mad over a whole video game. I'm like, bruh, I will beat you.
I
In real
will
life.
beat you.
I will beat the brakes
I'll
off
beat the
you.
bricks out of you.
Straight up.
On my dead lokes.
On the dead low. Like, bruh, look, I'm not gonna lie. First time I was in LA, I did not understand no slang or what they were slang. I'm like, yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. And then like, bro, all of them just sounded like Nipsey Hussle. I'm like, bro, I don't understand what y'all saying. Like slang over there.
I don't know. I didn't talk to any locals when I went to
They were
LA.
like, "What's up, homie?" And I'm like, "Yo, what's up? What's up?"
What's
It's
up,
like,
homie?
"Where you from?" I'm like, "Oh, fuck, I'm finna get shot right here." Then I'm like, "Nah, bro, I'm from Atlanta." And it's like, "Oh, that's up."
134 was the okay spot. I think 134 is the best position you could have gotten. Because look at it, guys. Cause like I didn't see this, right? I didn't see the 4-hour, but like look, the 4-hour closed bullish at 5 a.m. right?
Yeah.
Well, the 1 a.m. candle closed bullish. So when the hourly candle closed bullish, I hit entry here, guys. But if the 1 hour candle closed bullish here, because this is a range, you have a range here. So if this is the bottom of the range, price shouldn't break this low if it wants to go up. So you can anticipate that maybe this is the low for GJ. This counter right here for to go up. So your entry could have been here, take partials here at 10 pips, run until this target. That would have been an initial trade today. I just didn't see the 4-hour low. Stalls were good below this area, but obviously right now we're probably not gonna come down to there. Yeah, but we're entering like range territory here, guys. We're in a range here. So yeah, I'm out of the trade right now. I hit my entry here. I'm not in no more trades here. This is just, I think you guys, what's gonna happen probably is a better entry for you guys would be probably if GG does actually come back down here. If we actually close bearish or something, the hourly candle, you can see that this is the resistance for price to drive back down to create some type of support to go up later on. So if GG comes back down like this, let's say like this, and it taps the support level, you can see that maybe this is your support right here that was formed for price to drive up, because now you have a resistance and you have support and now you have a range. So what's gonna happen is you're probably gonna range in this area for a bit, range, you know, do whatever, and then eventually you're gonna close bullish here at the bottom of support, and then you look for buys back up. This will be much more clean. Buys from here, buy back up to retest the highs, because whenever price taps the high the second time around, usually breaks it, has a higher chance of breaking it because it's retesting the highs, and then eventually pop up to this target today. But this GG target is still valid. It's just that you might not get it right now on this move. You could get on this one candle, but much be preferred. I'd rather have this range to be formed first before I get that move, because you have a nicer stop loss and nicer, you know, range to go up. You have a bigger target. If you do come down to, the reason I say this support is because this is the next logical support level down here. So if you do pop up, there's like a potential like 40 pip move here in GJ. Yeah, that's probably the only thing I'm gonna look for today. But I think that's it for today. Took one trade today, break even, and that's it. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. Yeah, you guys can go back to talking. I just wanted to explain that real quick.
You gonna say it in the stream?
No, probably not. I'm gonna end this probably. I'm gonna update first. GG buys.
Y'all trying to play COD?
Yeah,
I'll be on tonight because I gotta go to doctorate.
gotta get the results back, my friend.
Mine's gonna test
boy.
it.
If
Oh,
the
man.
15-minute broke the previous 15-minute is valid, which 15-minute high, or what? If it breaks the low, it's probably gonna come back down to range here. This is gonna be a start of it. If it breaks the high, it's probably gonna get a nice move up here though. Just remember, there's a lot of traffic to the left side. This trade I entered was a very aggressive move. Aggressive where stops were a little tighter, because I was anticipating that this is a low for price to go up. And then another thing was that I moved my stops early, so it was aggressive entry, like aggressive stops to entry move, meaning that you're not gonna lose anything on the trade, but like it has a higher chance of hitting your entry than it continuing up. But I'd rather prefer that than
That's
hitting your
the
stop
best
loss.
possible play.
Yeah, that's because like what, 6% profit. So
Especially when you're closing back in range like this, like
yeah. So just careful, guys. If you guys have bias, just be careful.
music is fire.
You guys hear it? It's all
Yeah,
this
I was
music.
hearing it.
Oh.
I never listen. Like I never listen.
I'm just sharing the audio outside. Is my voice still weird though?
No.
Oh, okay, cool. It's soothing, you know.
Yeah, super good.
Dude, why you trading?
Just go for a morning.
Yeah, I think once GG breaks his 15-minute lows here, we have a very high chance coming back down to range here to create that range that we mentioned earlier, guys. So you know, if you miss buys, because look, 30-minute close bearish. We didn't break the highs yet, and now we're returning flipping back bearish. We're probably gonna flip down to Phil's range here. Next logical areas are down here. My pips.
All right, y'all. I'm finna hop off. Yeah. power nap.
Yeah, bro.
Alright, easy, bro.
Peace.
Later, bro.
Follow
Catch you
Asian,
tomorrow, bro.
follow Asian.
Yeah, Asian session. If I do send a link for Zoom. Yo, Sam, why don't you host Asian, bro?
What a beauty.
For a live stream chat.
Nah, bro. I'm not. I need to get better, man. This
No,
week's been
like
kinda
for
tough.
a live stream chat, like just us, like type shit, like locking them, not like the actual.
Yeah, I'm down. I'm always down. I just don't know like when you guys are on and shit.
Bro, just start it off.
I'm on it for every Asian.
Just start it off and just talking shit. But like if I don't know, if you lock shit, Jamie would join probably. I don't know. Yeah, I feel like I don't know what the hell Q-Son is, bro.
Oh yeah, I don't know what Q-Son's
This
saying.
guy wants to go become a professional Fortnite player.
Professional computer builder.
Professional, this guy built a PC and never looked back at us.
He was too sick. This guy joined IMO Trade House. Bro, Trade House is like
IMO Trade House. Who said that?
what?
Who said IMO Trade House?
What?
Who said IMO Trade House? You just said IMO Trade House, no?
Yeah.
What about it?
It's like the most like cancer shit.
Oh.
Like Trade House.
Oh, Trade House?
Have you been seeing Trade House
Yeah,
people?
bro.
Bro, I see the way they trade. Like, I don't know, bro.
Is there a page of them with all their trades?
Yeah, like I think they show their like they like I think they actually like take it seriously, like trading seriously. The Trade House people. It's not just marketing, but
Where? What page?
I just follow this guy, Third Eye Kev. He's like some spiritual guy, but
How's
he
this not?
trades, and he's in Trade House.
Yeah, Trade House is
And all of his like, and he's like, oh, students are eating and shit. And it's like literally all like.
Do you guys want to make your phone an ATM machine, bro? It's so cringe, bro. Like when people just say, "Yo, you want to make your phone an ATM? Just send me a message and join my business." Like they say business, like they're like, yeah. So I'd like to welcome you to my business here. I have a business going on, and their business is IMO. Then they call it their business because they're an IBO of their IMO team. Where did most you withdrawn from Trader's Domain? Well, I've withdrawn about $5.4 billion within the last day or so.
Light day.
Light day. You know the vibes. Light day. They're light day. Yeah, Trader's Domain I've been using it for like a month now. I think it was about 8,000 something. 8,500 something like that. I made it like twice. Three times? No, twice, 3 times. I forgot what it was, but I remember the first week of Trader's Domain, I literally made withdrawals in the first week. Remember that week? Literally the most craziest week. Any issues with scalping? Nope. Spreads are a bit bigger than my usual spreads. Like spreads are like for GG right now, it's like 1 pip. My old broker was Vantage FX. Their spreads were about no, GG is actually 0.08, so less than a pip. But my old broker was like 0.05, 0.04. Like Sam, what are your spreads right now for Vantage? 0.04
for
something
GJ?
like that. Yeah.
No, GJ is like 0.8 pips.
Oh yeah, so same thing as Trader's Domain, but like usually Vantage is like 0.04, like something so tight. Yeah, I'm just not.
For what?
For Vantage. GJ.
For GJ?
Yeah, it used to be like 0.03 and stuff.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
No, yeah, it just ranges. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
but
always under a pip though for like New York session and stuff. Man, some brokers like.
FX Lawyer won't pay you if your scalp is less than. FX what? It won't pay you if your scalp is less than 7 minutes. What?
What?
That's tough. I don't know what kind of rule that. That's kind of dumb to be honest.
FX Glory won't pay you if your scalp is less than what the
Yeah,
hell?
that's kind of dumb. It's kind of dumb. Money, chilling out, bro. Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. I'm just playing around,
Bro.
but it's a unique business. Yeah, I respect them. It's I guess it pays off. Like I guess it pays off, but it's just I just hate the fact that they focus the IMO as a group, like not in these little groups. Like it's not something like the big headquarter IMO team. They focus so much on recruiting and they trick traders in saying that they'll make money trading when they're just gonna make money off residuals. That's the part I hate about IMO. That's it. Like that's all I hate about them. But you know, it's like I feel like they should just focus a lot more on trading, bro. Because trading long run, like people just stick to residuals because they feel like they can't make enough money trading. I mean, they might not. So when people join, so here's the thing: when people join Forex, only 5% of them succeed. The other 9% don't succeed. So when these IMO traders tell you only 5% succeed, and they're the 5%, they're not the 5% because they just get money off residuals. But they say that only 5% succeed. Of the 95% fail. So when that 95% fail, this whole IMO group now is happening. So those 95% people go into that little IMO group, and then they make money off of that because they can't make money off of the 5%. Because trading is very hard. You know, it's a lot more difficult than recruiting. So I feel like, yeah, then I guess traders just get caught up recruiting because they got tired of trading or it didn't work out for them, and they make money off of recruiting, which is fine. But I just feel like IMO just tricks you into the fact that you will be the top, I guess, traders if you're an IMO, and it's just like, you know, like sure, cool, bro. These chairmen are making like 500K a month, whatever, but it's like you can make a lot more trading in the long run, bro. Long run, we got a lot more than that. Don't believe me, bro? I've seen traders that make $60,000 a day, $100,000 days. Like you have those days, it's real, it's actual real. Obviously, there's those scammers out there that just post a bunch of bullshit that's just fake. But there's traders out there that are actually making real money, and you might not believe it because you might not be at the same, I guess, confident level as them or whatever it is. So you might doubt them, like, oh, that's fake money. I can never make. You can make that because you haven't made it yourself, right? But there's actual traders out there that actually make real money out there, like 60,000 plus a day, 100,000 plus a day, whatever it is. So, like, trust me. You just gotta put in. It's a lot of work. Like, you just gotta put in the work. Like I haven't made a. It's been a minute since I had like a actual five-figure day. In a day, you know, it's been a minute, but
5-figure day, Jesus.
like 10,000 plus, whatever. Yeah. Like my account growth was like what 1 or 2% per day. Depends. Some days average like 1.2, 1.5, 2K. Depends on the day though.
It's just you just have to get a nice runner.
800, yeah. Like, it depends. Average, like I say, like 1 or 2% per day, around $800. Depends. But yeah, like you're obviously not gonna make 60K within a day within the first year.
Man, I think gold should go up here. Looks like a fake out on the 15, but.
Gold? Yes, ours. Yeah, gold's gonna go up here. This is a fake come back in the ranger. Closing bullish in the range, should continue to fill the range and eventually break it, yeah. You trading it, Sam? I saw you trading it again, right?
No, not like I can't trade it with these stops. Like
I think target could be this. This is a bit rangy today.
yeah, a lot of wicks.
If their main close is bullish, yeah, if their main close is bullish, you can get a potential entry, yeah. I might look for another entry, but because now we're actually closing bearish, we made that support, and now we should be able to continue on bullish if this is the low, because technically we have a range now. This is technically a range.
It's gonna close bullish.
Yeah,
Too.
it's technically a range here. So if their main close is bullish here, that can be a low for price to go up.
Yo, Don.
Yo,
Can you make it? Can you make it so the music is playing in the Zoom or not?
it is playing now.
Okay, there we go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's always playing.
No, it wasn't playing before. Just before. Just like 5 seconds ago.
Oh no, it was starting. It's a new song. It's a new song.
Yeah.
I can make shit play in the Zoom now. Cause Momac, every time I did it, there would be some loud ass sound.
Hello.
I play whatever music.
I should take this shit down.
Imagine that's like 1 second. No way. No shot. Yeah, I think she's gonna head. I think she's gonna head off here.
You gonna buy?
Straight. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna chill for a day, I think. But they close bullish. That's support. This should be a low. Price to drive up. The 1 hour is a low. You know, breaking the highs here. Should be 134.848 here, guys. If you guys enjoying the stream so far, leave a like on the stream. You know, this is a target for GJ. We're probably gonna tap this target today, 134.848. So you know, there you guys have it. If you guys got unbiased here on this candle, it'll make sense to see why. I'm gonna head off here, guys. If you guys are unbiased, then that's your target. So peace, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow during a new session. I'm gonna head off here, and have an amazing day today. Peace. Oh yeah, thanks everyone for showing up today. We appreciate it.